Unk is cooking today. Let's see what we got in here. I kind of like this. Okay. Oh my boy. Oh my god, man. That's my brother right there, man. Yeah, we got the hoodie on, man. We got the hoodie, we just chilling. We got a hoodie on. That's just my style, bro. That's just my style, broski. Like, you feel me? Everybody gotta have a style. Look at me. That's just my style, broski. Hey, how did the hoodie is crazy work? Oh, God. Oh. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. You fire. Oh, thanks, my G. Bro, somebody should have told me how crazy Money Heist is. I just started watching Money Heist of recent, bro. That's the reason why I'm even streaming late. Cause Money Heist took my time, dog. I didn't think time, dog. I didn't think a movie was gonna get me like that hooked to the point where I forget to stream. I was like, all right, bro, let me just go and stream, finish my stream for the day, get back on Money Heist. Bro, this shit is fire, bro. This shit is too fire. Oh my god, bro. You watch this, you are going to love it, man. Oh god. The twists in the stories, the god, this movie is just insane, man. Just too crazy, huh? mm, mm-mm. It's just insane, man. I love it, bro. I love it. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see. I think my screen will be blurred out because for some reason Netflix doesn't allow you to like do that. And if I just happen to stream this stuff right now, my channel will be taken down. Yeah, these guys are very strict when it comes to things like this. So we're gonna have to focus on. Yeah, you'll have to add it to your watch list. That's the truth, man. So today we're doing final deployments. I don't think it's gonna be done all today, but I just wanna fingers crossed we handle it. Um, we're gonna do what you don't like, which is using a timer, because I think that is the only best way to keep me, uh, to make me not lose focus. And I also want to be very punctual and make sure I'm not like going overboard with like other stuff, you know. So we got about 25 minutes to finish the first session. So let's see. I'm still not home yet, so I'll be back when I'm done. Good luck, bro. No problem, man. You'll find me. You'll find me. No worries. I'm gonna be doing some deployments and stuff. So I need to think about the application for a second. I need to think about the application for a second. It is already hosted, I think. If we go to Vercel, I need to figure out that URL problem. URL works as expected. Hmm. Get started. Let me first check out this. Let me analyze this, reload, and make sure everything works. Let's say login. Let's try logging in with this. See what happens. We got a fail. What's the issue? Actually, what's the status code here? Can I see the status code? I think we need to check the console, right? Hmm. This is blocked by the client. What could be the issue, bro? Hmm. It's blocked by the client. Oh, I think it's a course issue because we haven't added that to the front end. I mean to the back end. Not bad. But still I need to just go to Vercel. Let me just open this IntelliJ for a sec and see how it goes. So that we know the endpoints, the front end endpoints that we're exposing. Uh, okay, so we're exposing www.filterlink.store and also filterlink.store. So I'm gonna go here and go to manage domains, and I'll just add existing domain, and I'll just add filter store, filterlink.store, and redirect filterlink to www. This recommended. Okay, it's saying connect to an environment, production, or to another domain. Well, let's just continue with this. So now we've added this domain list. I think if we are not to go to like this domain, it should. Okay, it's not gonna open. That means we need to open this instead. That one is also failing. That's interesting. So both of them are actually failing for some reason that I don't know. Wow. Hmm. Hmm. How do we test this really? Let me first check the console first for a sec. Let me click this. Well, the console in here won't help. It should have been this one, but I can't see anything though. HTTPS, we have filter link.store. Hmm. What's going on, bro? Hmm. Hmm. Connected here. So, let's try it again. Hmm. Wow. How comes this works very well, but this one doesn't work? I forgot ChatGPT. Hmm. Hey, I have a. Wait, hold on. What? Can't access a microphone. Let's quit this and reopen it. What's up? Yo, Drew Verma, what's poppin', bro? How you doing, my G Verma? What's poppin', man? Hmm, this is taking forever. How you doing? Mm-hmm. 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 All right. So, Uh, I actually have a question. At the moment, I'm facing a problem with Vercel, especially when I'm trying to add my custom domain. Soon as I add my domain, it just when I click on the domain that I added, it just redirects me, opens in another page, and it just loops infinitely. It doesn't result to any page at all. But soon as I click the one that was generated by Vercel, it just works out of the box. I don't know if the issue would be the way I configured it in Namecheap for the DNS, or it could be Vercel itself with the problem. So just let me know. I could pass you my entire Namecheap config so that you can study it and let me know where the problem is coming from. Mm, okay, so we have that. Now I need to just go to Namecheap and get the config. Let's just sign up real quick. What's good, man? Vermo was popping. Okay. Mm, well, let's go to filter store. Let's just manage this real quick. Advanced DNS. And let's see what happens. All right, I'm just gonna copy this entire thing and paste it to ChatGPT, and also go back to Vercel and copy this entire version in here. Um, dude, my school declared summer vacations. Oh my god, bro! I'm happy for you, man. We also getting our vacation soon. We're probably gonna get our vacation next month, 22nd, which is nice. We are doing our second last module. This is almost certainly a DNS misconfiguration on Namecheap side, not Vercel itself. Your Vercel config already says filtered or store can see the domain correctly and SSL provisioning succeeded. The problem is this DNS records. At a record, those IPs are not Vercel IPs. For Vercel, the Apex root at this should normally point to okay, and www should usually be a CNAME, and then will be something like this, verceldns.com. Right now, your domain is probably doing this. Filter store, old hosting, redirect Vercel, back infinite loop. Also suspicious because it can hijack and resolve subdomains and cause redirect chains. Um, okay. All right, so the wildcard, the wildcard is actually representing my Hetzner IP address for the my Hetzner machine VPS, since I'm running my entire backend on the custom VPS, and the front end is hosted on Vercel. So I think that's where the problem is coming from. But let's try to see how we can resolve it. And the reason why I'm using the wildcard is because it allows me to just get unlimited number of subdomains from that same IP, so I don't have to like create a different subdomain DNS every time I want to create a new subdomain. So what do you think? Oh my god, God, it was too hot in India, man. The government decided the summer vacations to commence on 25th of May. And like, how's it in Sudan? I'm not currently in Sudan. I'm not currently in Sudan. I'm in Rwanda. It's great in here. It's fine. Marcus the main issue. You currently have has no VPS at old IP. Old IP. The architecture problem is frontend Vercel. Backend API has no wildcard DNS catches frontend related host. When using Vercel, we generally want front-end domains, subdomains handled exclusively by the Vercel DNS package. Backend subdomains handled by your VPS. Right now, your wildcard is too broad. What is happening is when the browser requests something like www.filterlink.store or even internal verification, edge domains, subdomains, the wildcard may resolve to Hetzner instead of Vercel. Okay, then Vercel redirect, VPS reverse proxy, redirect back, Vercel loop. Eventually, if Nginx forces HTTPS, apps redirect now, redirects non www to www. Proxy headers are wrong. Vercel also performs canonically requests or something. I don't know what the hell that means. So you should create separate concerns cleanly. Recommended setup www.filtystore Vercel, that's front end, and then backend API and the VPS. Optional wildcard for dynamic app. If you truly need um wildcard subdomains, Yes, no. Okay. So I think I'm starting to like the idea of just creating this. Um so explicit backend records. A record host API value your host no IP. Okay. Final recommendation, add this Vercel. Okay. Now let's let's go with the recommendation, but without without the wildcard. Now delete these records. Record A, record this, and then we add front end for the Vercel this. Now, what if we could use our same VPS to host our front end? Will it make sense? Okay. What if I wanna host the next year's up on the VPN? Will it make sense? Or keep it sep separate, separate for now. Let's see. For your current setup, keep them separate. All right, nice. Nice. So keep the front end stateless, keep the VPS stateful. Very good. I think we can continue with that. Um, so inside the VPS, we need to go. Okay. Now let's have this. Let's just go back to our name chip for a sec. And okay, let's just fill this saying, okay, just fill this now with the correct information. Okay, so replace your current host records with this A record at this goes to Vercel and it's automatic. Nice, nice. So let's just go and configure that. We have A record add. Okay, I'm gonna have to like delete all of these records. Does it have my IP? Yes, it's there. Nice. Let's just go ahead and delete all of this. Nice. So the first one is going to be a record. It's going to be odd, and this will be for the Vercel, isn't it? Yes. I'll just grab this 21, 21. Paste this automatic. Let's save that. We add another record. The second record will be a CNAME record. That will be a www, and we shall have this. Good. So this will be CNAME record, and this will be a www, and this is the target, vercel.com. Nice. Then the other one's going to be a record, is going to be our API, and this will be our server. Nice. So this will be our A record. This will be, I think, this will be called API, and let's just paste that. And then we save all of the changes. Hopefully this will work. Okay. So your final DNS should look like this. I record this and that. Nice. We're gonna delete the wildcard. So keep the TX email record as is. Wait for 5 to 10 or 15 minutes. And then we can go to Vercel, redeploy the front end and test. Nice. So I think this should have propagated already. Let's just go back to Vercel and let's redeploy this application. What is our redeploy? Yes, deployments. Let's go to status, not status actually. How do we redeploy this application? Hmm. Okay, I think redeploy is somewhere here. Hmm. Well, how do we redeploy this application? Hmm. Yes, I think this is the one. Let's redeploy. We could use the existing cache, but let's just go with redeploy. Hmm. If it works, I'll be very happy. Let's see how it goes. Mm, let's check the build logs. Installing dependencies, nice. Mm, so it's just installing the dependencies that we need. Let's go. Mm. Mhm. 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 Why is the building stage taking forever like that? God damn. Should have used Bun, right? Is it not supposed to use Bun? Run Bun npm fund? I don't know. Supposed to use Bun instead of npm. Why is cool though? Let's just continue compile TypeScript. So is it deploying now? Deploying the outputs. Nice. Nice, nice. The application is now live. Very good. I need to just try this out and see if it works. That doesn't work. I'm gonna have to just go back here. Let's go to overview. Hmm. This is still creating that loop though. Let's try this. Wow. All of that doesn't work. How about this? How about this? Why does this work but the one that I want doesn't work? That was good, bro. Hmm. This actually sucks, bro. This works. I'm gonna say, hmm, so I did all of that, and at the moment only this works and the rest don't. I don't know why. Okay, let's just go back to DNS, and this is how DNS records look like now. Nice. Let's press this. Mm. Mm-hmm. It should be. And ensure only one is primary. Mm. Okay, let's go back here to domains. Yeah. Mm. I'm gonna copy this recommended DNS. press this, go back again here. Okay, these are the recommended DNS. Go back here again. Let's have this. So this is everything that we need. We are trying to debug now. It changes diagnosis. It's technically valuable versus migrating infrastructure once new DNS. So update your name chip record to exactly this. CNN record should be this, okay, and A record should remain this. So we just need to replace only this and this, right? Nice. Right, you go back here and we need to just replace this with that and also this. We need to replace it with this. Okay. And I think that should do it. Let's just save all the changes. And we're gonna wait a little bit and see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And the API. Nice. Mm, you're giving everything sensitive data to the I don't think there's anything sensitive. I don't think there's anything sensitive here. Giving this information to AI is literally the best thing you can do because at the end of the day, there's nothing AI doesn't have. And these are things that you can change at the end of the day. You get it? Right now, I can just go ahead and generate like a whole different domain, and then yeah, it'll give me a different IP stuff. So do not worry about any of that. You get it? I just wanted to get it straight because this guy's migrated, and I don't want to waste my time doing all of the research. Okay, this is still hanging. How about this? I think this should work. Ah, that hasn't worked. So most definitely there's an issue. This should redirect us to that. So let's just try to change this to temporary redirect and should take us to fill this all and let's try to save it and let's go to this and see. Really is failing. I don't understand why it's failing. If I click this, this works. Why does this work but not the other one? I don't know why this one works though. Hmm. I'm just gonna say, okay, let's just repeat this time interval. We're supposed to take a break, but I'll have to first figure out why this is failing. So let's press in this. Um, this works, but the rest don't. All of the two above don't. Um, um, the issue is now almost suddenly inside the next year, so the line is clear. But um, now set your up level redirect. Check middleware. Mm. 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 I'm getting confused now for real. Wow. Bro, my brain is getting cooked, man. I'm getting fried. I don't know what the hell is going on, but let's first dismiss this nonsense. What's really going on with this? Can someone tell me why why this works, but everything else doesn't work? Literally, even the custom domain that we put is just resulting in a infinite loop. Hmm. Let's get rid of it. Let me remove this. Hmm. It doesn't help at all. Hmm. Let's say www dot filter store. I mean, I think it's not filter store. It's actually filter link plus store. Hmm. Hmm. Let's try this. Holy shit. Nothing seems to be working, bro. Oh, I'm cooked, bro. What's the issue? Okay, let me open this and see. Hmm. Okay, let's just go through this. Let's see what's going on here. Hmm. Navigate. I think when I navigate to filthy link store, it just loops non-stop. What could be the issue, bro? I don't know. I completely have no idea. So I'm gonna let AI just handle it. Matter of fact, I don't do front end, I do back end. So anything front end related, I just let AI handle it. Mm, let's see what's the issue. Where is it at? And we have a Pomodoro method going like we first code for like 25 minutes, take a 10 minutes break or 5 minutes break, depending on how long we're gonna finish the break. Go back again to coding, take a 10 minutes break like that for like 1 hour and maybe 1 hour and a half and call it a day. So let's see what's going on. See what's going on. Mm, mm, I don't know why that's an issue, bro. Mm, mm, mm. Why is our agent not catching the problem? I think in the meantime, let's see what we can do in the meantime. What if I just edit this? What if I edit this and just add something else? It won't work like that. Damn. Hmm. What's going on with this? It's just taking unnecessary time, bro. That's it. Let's just go to admins, qualify, and see. Okay, can we like host the front end application on Qualify? Okay, so why can't we just host the Next.js application on Qualify as well? Since I have my backend, my database on there, why couldn't I just host the front end as well on Qualify that is sitting on Hetzner machine? What do you think? What are the trade-offs actually between the two, and which is better? Okay, let's see. Hmm. Mm, mm-hmm. Setup extremely easy. Um, the trade-off is we shall have to be more involved. I'm perfectly okay with that. CDN global edge CDN, you configure it yourself. This is our optimization based class. Yeah, yeah, for sure. Scaling automatic. Uh, mm, Also, this is automatic too. Usually cheaper. Mm, Excellent for WebSockets. Excellent. Low, okay. Oh, so what changes technically? Vercel Edge, serverless SSR, and backend API. I don't know about that, man. I don't want to configure anything, but also I don't want to be naive to the fact that we could do that, right? Okay, so it read through everything. Let's see what it's gonna come up with. Oh my god. Mm, well, I don't know why this stuff is taking forever. Mm-mm. Mhm. All right, let's first try to host it on. Let's try to host it on. Let's try to host the front end also on Coolify. Let's see what happens. Mm, let's go to Coolify. Let's just try to add another resource, which is going to be our front end. Mm, 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 mm. What's going on? mm, allow always. Confirm. Nice. So we need to load the filter link. Let's try to host the front end on here too. Okay. Mm, now I have this. I'm thinking, should we? Yeah, the front end is will be hosted on 3000 per 3000, which is okay. Hmm. I'm getting kind of confused, but I don't know. Let's have a look. Should we use Nixpack or the Docker file? Nixpack, Docker file. Nixpack, Docker file. I think let's just use Docker file, right? And just go here. Vercel. Page keeps reloading, yes. Yes. Um, let's submit that. Let's see. What could be the problem? Um, so as it's coming up with that, I need to understand something. Let's say, okay, now let's say we want to host our Next.js application inside our VPS as well with Coolify. Now, I already have the GitHub app, which just allows me to import my Git repositories and also makes it easy for webhook updates for the CI/CD pipeline that is automatically built by Coolify. So I'm thinking, how do we approach it? Do we approach it using, I mean, do we do the build using Nixparks or maybe just use Docker? And then we can maybe build a Docker file for the front end as well. And then just Dockerize everything and have it run on the Coolify. What do you think about that? And if that's the approach we're gonna use, let's just structure it in a very simple way. Not too much writing, just make it easy. Okay. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's go. Yes, Docker is a correct approach. Do not use not Next.js operation if you use and qualify in VPL if you want everything containerized. So that gives you reproducibility, portability, easier scaling, cleaner CI/CD, infra consistency, recommended architecture, front end, containerized backend. Yeah, that's nice. So GitHub push, qualify webhook, Docker build, Docker deploy new container, reverse proxy routes to the traffic. Nice. Hurricane, so recommended approach to the front end. Next.js standalone output. So next.config our JS. We're gonna just add this to standalone. This dramatically reduces the image size. Okay, so let's just use that. And multi-stage builds. We're gonna need Node 22 Alpine as base, and from base, the alias is actually base, and from base as dependency, and then work directory to the app, and then copy package JSON and package JSON log. What if I'm using Bun though? What if I'm using Bun? I'm thinking, what if I'm using Bun? Because I'm using Bun actually. If we go back to our application, you see we have Bun log. So I'm actually using Bun. Let's see what's gonna happen. Um, Here's what I found after thorough investigation. The code base has no redirect loop. Um, This is at the infrastructure level, Vasal, not in the application code. Vasal redirects rules. Check your directional rules. Hmm. Okay. I don't know. So I think the idea of us using this would make more sense. I think this would make more sense. Um, Fast deployment, production grade setup, no dependencies in runtime. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I'm getting kind of confused now. Oh yeah, this will be our yeah, backend recommended folder structure. Okay. Now let's say what if I'm using Bun? Because I'm currently using Bun as my runtime, and also I use Bun X create next up at latest. So most definitely I'm using Bun, and it has given me Bun lock and all of that. So just let me know how to approach it in case I'm using Bun. Yo, listen,
Mm.
well gone.
I've just, wait, no, just,
Hmm. Would you?
mm.
Okay. Mm. I'm currently streaming. Um,
Oh,
yeah, but what are we gonna do? But I'm gonna go. I'm gonna chums out to Kuja. But let me know first. Mm-hmm.
I don't know either, man.
Okay.
I don't know. Huh?
I'm like, okay. So, what's the solution?
But I don't know. I'll just come home. We'll see from there.
Because if anything, I want to do genetically key and jarai ke halas kana fasule ke jarai ke mau.
Are you gonna send money on Momo?
Speaking of that,
You said?
speaking of that, kere again lana yani ya go stream. Halas okay. Here's the thing. Bogdama you get chuki kabe kanela ori wani kal.
Mm-mm.
Alright, let me first call Tia real quick.
Mm-mm.
Or maybe you try calling her. Call Tia. Really?
Huh?
You call Tia, copy you or Mumu ke khamsa. O ran o make stream.
Okay.
Yeah, just so that you can bring everything with you from the road.
Kitty?
I'm like, so that you can cope with my Shania cafe. You're coming home instead of coming then going back. You can just get everything from there and then make stream and go around.
Fine.
All right, real quick.
Okay.
Mm. Hmm. So let's see. Uh, okay. Output is standalone, and then we add this. So from oven, burn as base, from base as dependencies, work directory up, and then copy package JSON and burn lock, and then use burn install frozen log file. I don't know why we have to use that. On base as builder, and copy all the dependencies run build, and I don't know why the hell we have all of these extra steps, but it's cool. Output standalone, Next.js generate that. So I think we're gonna stick with that. I think we're gonna stick with that. I'm just gonna go ahead and build the Docker file here. Um, just add a Docker file, paste this in there, and that's gonna do it. Now, what's the next thing we're gonna need? Cool. Now, to the gitignore, we have all of this. I also need to add Docker file to gitignore as well. Dot next dot git docker file and dot readme.md. Dot next is already there. We need to add docker file as well. Okay, add docker file. What else? I think that's all right. Yeah, I think that's all. Inside next config, I just need to add this standalone, and we just export the port. Standalone is fine. Then we're just going to rerun everything else, and that should do it. Good. Update part. Let's just go and generate this. Okay. Now we just have to go inside our Coolify. Then we just continue from there. Okay, and shall have this filthy link dot store. Yep, filthy link dot store. Go back to the DNS. Instead of the API, let's just use this as the wildcard. Save all the changes. Go back to Coolify. Filter link dot store. This is the front end. HTTPS filter link dot store. What else? What else? What else? Port is 3000. It's okay. Okay, stop this. So that means we've done most of our work for the day. We need to go to environment variables. Also here, I have a few environment variables. Like for example, this. Wait, basic URL should be. I don't know. What's going on here? Wait, the stars. Okay. Okay. Now, go ahead. And another one. Um, um, I mean, this is the URL for the backend. HTTPS, look, HTTPS API dot filter link dot store and also um HTTP localhost 8080. Yo, Money Heist was good. Bro, speaking of Money Heist, I've been watching Money Heist non-stop, man, on Netflix. Oh my god. Now that movie is tough. That movie is tough, man. That movie is too tough, man. It's too tough. It's too tough. Hard feed, not gonna lie. Thanks, man. It's gold. Thanks, Bresky. Stuff, right? Um. Okay, let's see. As the best. Mr. Wood here. What do you mean by Mr. Wood? Oh my god, my back hurts. Oh shit. What do you mean by Mr. Wood here? Mm, mm, don't say that, bro. Don't say that. Don't hype me like that, bro. Oh god. Okay. So I created a .env.local used for base URL for all API requests. Next.js inlines. This are the build. Okay. So now we have this. Very good. So that means we don't need the .local one. 45. Mm-hmm. I think we don't need the .local one if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Now that it's done with that, let's see what next we can do. Mm, nice. API dot filterlink dot store. It should get rid of it though. If we have um oh, why we I mean it's okay. It's okay for it to just be like that. I'm perfectly okay with it like that. No, okay. Okay. Check up and see if it's ready to be deployed on Poolify on my custom VPS. Man, we're cooking, man. I want today's deployment to be the last day for us. Mm, mm. Mm, Later. What did she say?
She doesn't say
Damn. So what are we gonna do?
deliver. I don't know, bro. Come on.
How are we just gonna come, bro? Like, you
Look
know?
at my head is aching.
That's what I'm saying. So that I wonder when you come, everything is already here.
I'll eat the very food that's bro.
Okay, it's fine. Okay. It's okay. I have it, bro. Hmm. Okay, so let me just add a few things that it needs to add. Mm, mm, all right. So I think we are good to go now. Just go here. So get out and let's commit these changes. Just commit these changes. Let's go. All right, now that the changes are up and running, I just need to grab this, open it, go to .env, open, go back, developer view, just press listen, go back here, open it, yes, save on. We are left with what? Go back to config and do the deployment. Link dot store, and let's save this. Gonna be filtering front end. Um, okay, let's save this and let's try to deploy this. Hopefully it works, man. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's first study this one. Let's see what's going on. Check our logs. Oh God. Hmm. building the image. Mm, mm, oh, mm, I don't know what the hell is going on with Qualify. Oh my god. Let's just try to play some chess as it's finishing. I don't have the patience, boys. Mm, let's just be playing some chess. Um, I don't know if we should play Rapid, bro. Let's just play some Blitz games. Um, mm, Oh, if I don't take this, he's gonna take my bishop. I can just take back. So I'm not worried. It's just plain him. Stagger the rook. Good one. Oh, wow, this is gonna get a little bit hectic though. Hmm. Well, first of all, I'll just trade off queens because this is just gonna waste my time. Wow. Um, I have no choice but to expose my own. So let me just expose this. Nice. Let's go to a corner. Why are you looking like sus? What do you mean I'm looking sus, bro? Let me just trade this off. Fine. Let's just double up the roots in this file. Mm, Let me start by getting rid of this. Mm, all right, I have another rook on here. All right, not bad. We're gonna munch on this little dumplings. Mm, wait, I kind of have a problem though, because if it goes here, I'm gonna get toasted. So that being said, it's not really a mate, bruh. It's not fully mate. It's not really a mate, bruh. I can save this. It's not mate. Who said it's mate? It wasn't mate, dog. He knows it. Ah, I said, I just wanted to tease him. I just wanted to tease him. I wanted him to just play something stupid. Like, bring this Rick here and I just take it. This guy is so dumb, bro. From here to his mate, I knew it. This was like crazy. I don't look sus, man. I'm just chilling. I don't look sus. Yeah, I'm playing chess. I'm playing chess. Let's see. I think our deployment is down, if I'm not mistaken. But we have some errors, I guess. We shall get back to chess. Nero. Oh, Binod, Binod, you had changed your name entirely. That's why, bro. Let's go to it. You changed your name, man, Binod. I will just say it right now. Nero, Nero Binod. Yo, why are requests taking forever to load, man? Like, boys, let's just play chess today, bro. Let's just enjoy the stream. Let's just play chess, man. This is just starting to annoy me because there's no way things should just be taking forever to load. It's just like, all right, let's just enjoy chess, man. Just go here. Oh shit, this guy is just playing anyhow, bro. England Gambit. Hmm. Yeah, let's just play chess today. Let's gonna be playing chess today, bro. Deployment has completely failed me, so we shall just extend it to Monday. Monday will be the final day. I should change the I should change the stream title from final deployments to like final. I don't know. Yesterday I got smoked and cooked. Watch the last game. Yeah, I will. Has he played? Not yet. Okay, no problem. I'll definitely check it out. Um, mm, 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 mm. Mhm. Bro, you playing Blitz and you just taking forever. Like, what's up, man? It's just a fucking move, brother. Like, some guys are just mad annoying, bro. Oh, you played at 1300. Crazy. How was it? How did it go? Bro, let me just text this guy. Bro, I will play in Blitz or some. Bro, it's not that deep, man. Resign. Holy shit. Yeah, yeah, okay. I will. It be people that play like this are just mad annoying, bro. Why can't you just resign other than wasting my time like sitting here, sitting through this depressing stuff? Ugh. Yes. Auto resign. Go. Dumb fool. Yeah, bro. Because some people are just annoying, bro. Oh, bro, I press it. I'll watch it. I'll watch it next. Let's go Italian game. Okay, no. Oh my god. This is why I had pre-moving this stuff sometimes, bro. So now I'm just gonna get thrown around. Let's just go here, bro. What opening is this guy trying to play? This is definitely stupid. Yeah, shit is mad annoying, bro. You know what, this guy? I see what he wants to play though. Nice game. Uh, Here's what I'm gonna play now. Matter of fact, I think I'm just gonna play here to attack this as well. Alright. I'm just gonna suck my I'm gonna suck my nice. So here's a nice plan. Okay, okay, okay. His bishop is in the same line, so see. Just gonna go down. I want to play some nice sacrifice, man. Okay, that was not expected, man. I didn't blunder. What are you talking about? I didn't blunder nothing. Just losing the rice to Casa doesn't mean I blundered. Calm down. I still got this. I still got this in place. Watch. Anything he plays will get him in trouble. All right. Let's see. I just castled though. I lost a free night. Um, I don't know if you say the same about. You see, you see what's happening here. I'm gonna take this though, right? That's a free bishop right there. Hmm. Nice. I see. I see where it's going with this plan. No, 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 no. Just right above the, because he won't even move it. Soon as he moves, the pawn is over. So here's what I'm gonna do next. All right. He wants to play here. There's nothing really. Okay. Uh, let me see, bro. I might be checkmated in a sec. I might be checkmated. Opponent didn't blunder a lot. I mean, right? Here will form a queen. If I go here, he will form a queen with check, and I can take, isn't it? If he takes, hold on. If he takes here with check, I'm gonna be forced to go down. So let me just create some loft. Move your knight and then open the pawn. Nah, bro. That will create some disaster because this check alone here, I'm afraid of this check. This check alone will force me to take with the knight with this, and then he'll have to take right with check again, and then I'll have to defend with my queen. So hey, let me just move this up a little bit. See what he has up his sleeve. Nice. Uh, okay. I'm just gonna take here. If he takes with check, okay, I just move up, right? Yeah. He's gonna form another queen though, which is crazy. That is a big, very big threat to me now. That's a very, very big threat to me. God, how do I play against these two queens? Hmm. Alright, let me just go like this. Let's see what he has. Um, okay, fair enough. I've lost a rook again. Wow, wow, wow. I guess I've lost this game, right? But I've managed to trap one queen. Really? I think that's checkmate, right? Oh God, I've lost the game. Yo, that pawn was dangerous, dog. That pawn was a living hell. Holy shit. I made it, bruh. Yeah, I made it, dog. Oh my God, I made it. Mm, I made it, bruh. Well, we can go for a draw if you want. Oh, hold on. What? This guy lost a queen. He planted a queen and I didn't take it. What in the hell is going on with me? Yo. Okay. That was a literal nightmare of a game. I don't even know how this entire thing happened, but it's okay, man. So good. Um, where's this guy? Where's your name? This is you, right? Mm, this one? Yeah, FBI. Is it this one? Right. Mm. For this guy was playing like almost a 2K, man. What are you building, sir? I'm building a URL short now, man. We are 90% done. We are left with deployments. Um, yeah, we are left with deployments. Let me even check it again if we are there now. Admin. I just don't know why this is taking forever, man. This shit is just like starting to annoy me. Let me see. My boy is playing black, right? Bro. Alright. Mm, I don't know. Okay. That was a blunder. 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 Whoa, 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 what? Hold on, bro. How did this get reach up to this point? How did it get to this point? Okay. Everything here was good. Um, okay. That was a blunder. But I think that was a sacrifice, though. Bro, you shouldn't have taken it, man. There are certain things that are just not good, bro. Oh, God. Oh, God. Why? Hmm. Sometimes you just have to sacrifice, dog. Like, it happens. Hmm. I don't know even why you moved the king there. Hold on. Uh-huh. Now, you see, when you move like this, you blocked out your bishop. Wow, you should have defended with the pawn, bro. Damn. Yeah, this was stupid. Um, you wanted to win over his bishop, right? You're being selfish. You see, he just defended his bishop in peace. Nah, that was evil. That was evil. Why are you going for a pawn, bruh? What the hell? You got a whole queen in your half of the board. Okay, even if I this game was you are meant to lose here, bro. Oh my god, this was tough. Mm, mm, mm. Your bishop was gone already, bro. I don't know why he just played that, but your bishop was already gone. The one, oh, it was protect. Oh, it wasn't protected, but he wasn't. He wanted to protect his bishop as well. Discover check. Oh my god, why did bro go there? Oh my god, there's nothing else he can do. Oh god, what the hell? This was a disastrous game, bro. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. No way this guy did you like this. Bro, no way this guy did you like this, bro. Jesus. This was it was torture, but this was slaughter, dog. So that being said, I think we should jump into one rapid game just to increase my elo. Let's go. Look at our elo now, boys. 721. Let's go. All right, let's go D5 business. Oh, D4. That was D4, not D5. What am I talking about? Mm. Up. Well, he played there. Go here so that we can pin him. Defend this pawn as well. Nice. Mm. Nice. We go here, and then we go there. Good. Good. Now, this is something that I hated. I should have played better, bro. Oh, very good. I'm gonna go here. Now let me see what he's gonna choose. Well, that was a forcing move. Anyways, I was just gonna go here regardless, right? So let him take the rig. I was still gonna go here regardless. I'm going to win this game. Trust me, bro. Trust me on this. I'm gonna win this game. I promise you. Mm, so we decided to protect that. Mm. Mm, okay, now I see. I have some good opportunity now. I have some good opportunity. Let's keep going. All right. Where the fuck is he going? Where is he going? Hmm. I should have taken the bishop. Well, I need a bigger fish. Let's first see. Let me go for this bishop trade. You know that this bishop trade will benefit me, right? Did you notice that? Did you notice that this bishop trade will benefit me? Good. So now, have you seen? Holy moly! And if he's not serious, we are gonna get the queen. Now watch this. Um. Okay. Damn. My bad. Let's just take the rook back. But he's going to be maybe he's going to be ahead by a pawn. I'm not. I'm not feeling bad about that at all. I think it's about time we swing the rook in the game. Let's go and cause some disaster. So here's what I'm gonna do. Let me first just push this first. Good. I'm gonna take with this. Oh no, I don't want to take with the pawn. Nice. I don't want to take with the pawn. I want to threaten his knight so that he can take with. Nice. Very, very nice. And then we'll now attack with our pawn like this. I have a good game. I have a good game loading. Just watch. Okay. Actually, let's swing our queen in the game. I could go here and force a trade, and after the trade, we have a rook that is gonna cause some chaos. Nice game. Yeah, I had to give him that, bro. I had to give him that. I couldn't take that. Oh my god, is the queen on the same line as yo? Hold on, Jesus. I think I have something. Is he really gonna mess this up? Is he gonna mess this up? Is he gonna mess this up? Oh my. Oh my God. Good. Okay, he actually has this though. I don't care. I don't care about that. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Brings this up. Take it again. We check and he's cooked. Yes. Toast. Oh my God. Let's go. Mm. The queen is toast. I told you I was gonna win this game, bro. I told you I was gonna win this game. I told you guys I was gonna win this game, bro. Took the point, GG's. Yeah, bro, this game was just hilarious. Yo, I have a question though. Why is it that people just can't play against this D4 opening? This shit is just so tough, man. This shit is tough as hell. Yeah. He actually helped me though. He helped me to take my king to safety. Oh, this was the big mistake. I think this was a blunder. I think this was a big blunder, bro. Yeah, this was a big blunder, bro. You see, I told you guys about this. I told you guys about this night thing and this pawn. This pawn was gonna destroy the center. I knew it. And this is why he started. It was at this moment when he knew he let's go. Resignation. I was gonna toss him bad, man. Toss him too bad. Hey bro, Ritish is good, man. What's poppin'? How you doing? Yeah, a lot of people just play E5, man. Everyone plays E5, like literally. Everyone. Everyone plays E5, bro. Oh, you just deployed your first full stack, man. The same cannot be said about me, bro. For some reason, Coolify doesn't want to open with me. I don't know what's going on. Oh my God, I'm playing black, man. I don't know what to play when it comes to black, man. Black is just so depressing. Yeah. Bro, I don't know why black is just mad annoying to me, man. Let's just go PF defense, man. What? What? Bro, what? What in the Harley Quinn opening is this? Alright, I see what bro is doing, right? Where? Is this guy not gonna be tossed in a minute? Let me just keep chasing him away. Yeah. Bro has to be running away like a headless chicken, bro. Let me see. Alright. I wanna be chasing bro. I don't know. Half of the board. Oh my God. Fumble time. Bro, I fumbled my bishop. And Brady take it, bro. Oh my God. Jesus. Jesus. I meant I meant to play here, bro. And I just fumbled my bishop and Brady take it. Oh, you're so generous, brother. I like the fact that you exposed your queen though. Nice one. I mean your king. Where's the code, bro? I'm already there, mate. I will share it. Okay, no problem. Okay, is this not a bad move? Mm, okay, I think this is quite a bad move. Let me just go here first. Let me see what's going on. What is cooking? Hmm, nice. So, let's have a look. All right, this is like a no-brainer, right? Yeah, this is a no-brainer, bro. It's like a no-brainer. Damn, bro. Oh, oh my God! What a mistake! Holy moly, Jesus Christ! What was that? Hmm. This guy is cooking, man. This guy is cooking. He's really cooking, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Oh my God. Nice. But that glory won't last for long, man. That glory won't last for long. I feel like this can go here. Okay. Um Good. Nice. Okay. Let's see what brother is trying to cook here. I know what brother is trying to cook. I'm not aware of what he's trying to cook. Hmm. Let's see. Nice. Okay. He has a few points, a few things up his sleeve, bro. Damn. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We are fucking this guy left, right, center. Oh my God, he's defending this shit, man. All right. I think I have another one. Wait. Could be a pawn. A pawn can threaten this, but how about this? Take. No, he's gonna take mine, right? I take here, but I'll block this away. I want to get my queen here, bro. I want to get my queen here and just start cooking left, right, center. So what I need to do is to push this so that my queen can take this. Nice! Nice! He has to go away from there, bro. Has to go. Has to go. And I start cooking now. I mean, he might drop here and then I'll just take, right? Hmm. Okay. I see what he's trying to do there. Uh, what this guy is playing though. This guy is actually playing. Hold on. This guy is actually playing, bro. Hmm. I feel like we are cooking though. I'm not like I just have a feeling that we are cooking. Yeah, man. He's good at defense, but we're gonna crack that defense open. All right. Now, watch what I'm gonna play next, right? I want to play a move that is gonna surprise this guy. Uh, a move that will surprise this dude. So I'm trying to target this square. So let me just go here first with my knight, and then I push this pawn. If he munches, okay, he's he's actually trying to attack my unprotected pawn, which is I don't see. Um, hmm. Yes, yes, I see it. I see it. Oh my God. Now, which other thing is there on my mind? Oh, I saw it. It's here. It's here. That is the move. Yeah, he messed up, bro. I think he messed up here though. I think he messed up here. I don't know if I think he messed up. You see, just like that, my brother has lost a pawn, a rook. Dude has played. Oh my God. Let's see something. Let's see something. Nice one. Okay, he's trying to checkmate me, bro. This guy is so slick, bro. This guy is just so good at the game that he's trying to do all these silly tricks, man. Damn. All right. Uh, can I go here? I think going here is much better than going down here. Which one is better? I don't know, bro, because I'm thinking lifting this rook will make it a very unnecessary move, right? Okay, let's see. Dude is trying to checkmate me, bro. That is crazy work. Okay, he decided to take the rook. Uh, you see, that was that was that was very bad, man. I don't know why you told me to do that. That was bad. That is fine though. That was terrible, man. That was very terrible. How? You said no afterwards, bro. You said no after I lost the rook already. So I don't know what the hell this guy is trying to cook. I won't be falling for it, man. Yo, That was bad. I've just lost, man. I've lost this game. Damn. Pinning the bishop to the queen was not going to help. It wasn't going to help, man. I think I've already lost, man. I've lost hope already. I've already lost hope. Fuck. Alright. Holy shit. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Um, no, I'm gonna take the bishop. Oh, he might end up losing the rook altogether. Fuck. This guy. This son of a god. Damn. Holy shit. Alright, I don't even have time. That's the funny part. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's gonna take my bishop, bro. Oh, what? Kind of stupid shit is this? Hmm. Is this some? Oh yeah. Man, dude, this was just terrible, right? This was terrible. This was just very, very bad, man. Shit. All right, let's just do that. Uh, okay. Uh, well, okay. He's just trying to get this. Let's see. All right. Mhm. Yes, queen is cooked. Oh my god, not yet, not yet. Oh god, I thought the queen was cooked. I thought the queen was toast, man. Jeez. All right, fair enough. Let's go. I thought the queen was cooked, bro. Hmm. I think we have a discover check. How I like. Yeah, we have a discover check. If it doesn't play well, no, there's no discover check. There's no discover check. Hmm. All right. We have some technical difficulties. So that means I won't be able to castle though. Should it be my worry? Not being able to castle? Shouldn't be my worry. Let's go. All right, this guy. Okay, fine. Let's go. All right, man. GG's on this game too, bro. I'm really like on some crazy losing streak now. And this is something I hate about playing this game, bro. Like soon as you just lose one game is over. You just you just keep losing, bro. Let him just come with this Scandinavian defense. Bro. This game you just start losing, you lose forever, bro. Uh, Start losing, you just start losing non-stop. It's the way this game is. I'm not frustrated. I'm not. Frustration is wild. I'm not frustrated, bro. Mm, mm, two, mm, okay. He wants to free his pawn from there. But then he will just he will just go and block off his let's go. I think we are winning a pawn though, if I'm not mistaken. I think we are winning a pawn. Mm, okay. Let's see. What is it going for there? Wait, hold on. Did I sacrifice my bishop? Did I just do that? What was I supposed to do? Holy shit. No. Okay. That wasn't a bad idea, like a terrible idea. It's fine. Alright. I don't know what the hell bro is playing. Giving me. Okay, this is not a free gift, by the way. You just trade this knight off from here. Nice. Oh, hmm. Oh God, I have a good plan. I have a good plan. I shouldn't have played the knight there. What am I doing? I shouldn't have. First time here, man. What are we building or going to build? We're building a URL shortener, my brother. Uh, a URL shortener. I think you know what a URL shortener is. Okay, if I had gone here, he was just going to cook me. So I want to. Nice. Is this is this not peak cooking? Is this not peak cooking? Can somebody? Holy shit! Holy shit! This is peak cooking. Peak cooking. He has to take. Holy shit! Okay, he can actually come here. Hey, 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 hey. Oh god, this is a tough check, man. Yo, this is this is actually a very tough checkmate, bro. Let's see. We're building a URL shot now, man, and we're just playing chess because for some reason Coolify is just not being it's not cooperating with us. I don't know why. I just don't understand why Coolify is not cooperating, man. Self-host. I think it should be docs. Where's login, bruh? It should be up dot wait admin dot coolify dot store. Oh, okay. Here's the thing. Here's the reason why. Let's go to Namecheap. We need to go back to Namecheap and yeah, there's a problem. There's a problem. I disabled everything from here. Databucket.store, manage this domain. I actually ruined the DNS. I ruined the DNS. That's the reason why it wasn't working. So here we should okay, this is actually okay. What's the issue again, bro? It's not really that. This allows us to have all the subdomains and stuff. Jeez. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on, bro. We have to, that's why we're taking a little break. How much you learned in 1 year? A lot, man. Like, oh my goodness. I don't know what to tell you guys, but I've really learned a lot, man. Really learned a lot. Um, I use my GitHub as like the benchmark to gauge or to judge how much I've learned because that's how much code I've pushed to my GitHub. I have 762 contributions. That means I code every single day. You feel me? If you just look at 2026 alone, we've coded 367. We have 367 contributions. That means at least a day we have a contribution every day. And it's not yet even the end of the year, which is nice. So if you go to 2025, yeah, we are not serious at the beginning of 2025, but towards I think at the beginning of 2025, that's when I started taking this shit seriously. Yeah, as you can see. Have you leveraged the open source sources like Superpowers, GStack, and no, I haven't checked any of that. I haven't checked any of that for real. And yeah, we're just chilling now on chess, man. We're taking a little break. I think today is like a official break. Then tomorrow we can finish with like um the goddamn deployments. I Coolify should work. I don't know why it's failing to work. I'm just like, hold on, let me just open this in like Safari. Maybe the problem is this application. So let me try out Safari. Let's see. Yeah, it's just taking forever, bro. I don't know what's going on. Since yesterday, I've been facing these kind of problems. They just mad annoying me. But it is what it is. Let's see. This Scandinavian, we almost lost to this Scandinavian defense, bro. Yeah, you see this knight when I pushed and he hopped in. This was a mistake for me to push here, right? Yeah, that was a mistake. You can see the bar going down. It was a big mistake. And then he hopped in and I went up. What was I supposed to do here? What was I supposed to do? I don't know. Maybe take the pawn? Take here? Really? Oh, hold up. But no, it wasn't going to work. It wasn't. It wasn't. Because taking here would just allow him to take here, right? And I'm cooked. And why are they saying that I'm up in? You see that? I really don't know why this was like. I don't understand. Now what next now? That's it. Then let's say I take this. He takes back. I castle. We check. Now what? He has to go like this, and then I push. Hold on, no, this is his pawn. So what am I supposed to play next? Maybe here? Oh, because okay, he could just go here, right? Yeah. Now how am I still better? I don't understand. Maybe go here. And what else? I don't know what the issue with perplexity, man. They're removing all chat and recent threads. Man, I don't know, bro. Like these guys are just going through a lot, man, and it's just mad annoying, bro. So if you remove this, maybe I don't know what is he gonna do anything here? Nothing. But if I play here, I'm gonna get toasted. So I don't know. But yeah, at the end of the day, bro, this game was just like it was meant for me to win, bro. Let me see the next moves. What's there from there? How do we go up? Yeah, man. These guys. The problem with these companies, they don't really care about the users, man. They don't care about the users. They just want the money, bro. These people are money hungry. And that's the reason why like most of these SaaS applications they fail because they're not putting it's not like a user-centric application. Um it's not like a user-centric application, bro. Most of them are just focused on like, trying to earn big, which is good, but it's like, come on, brother. Okay, I'm playing with a sad, depressing black. Should we go with Scandinavian? No, let's just go Piak defense, man. I don't understand why he's playing that. Do you want to suck your bishop, brother? Okay, seems like he doesn't want to suck his bishop. Nice. Soon as we see that, I'm first because he wants to hop in here, and I do not want to accept that. So let me just go and pin him before I cause any trouble. Very good. Very, very good. I think. Hold on. No, 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 no. No, I don't have a way there. I really don't have any way there. Okay, let me just go here and threaten to take here and then fork them, right? So I'm thinking, let me just take here first. All right, not bad. Not really bad. What else? So just go ahead. Yeah, take with the pawn. No, here's what I wanted to do. I wanted to take with the knight, and then I just fork them. Okay, now that my knight is pinned, how do I remove this knight out of the pin? By playing a nice move right here. Okay, if I play with another knight, I'm gonna get cooked. So, I don't know. Let's just go here with the queen, bro. Nice. I'm done with my development, bro. And dude is just there, still shitting his pants. Let's go. I want to castle. It's high time I castled. So let me just go here. Oh no, 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 no. I actually have this. I was gonna get toasted, man. Okay. Let me see actually what this guy is seeing that I'm not seeing. Let's say if he takes this pawn. Now that was just bad, right? So I can take here with this pawn. Oh, offer a queen trade, because I think I think a queen trade would make sense for me, won't it? Let's first see how it goes. A queen trade will really make for a good sense. Will really make sense for me. Let me offer a queen trade. Nice. Okay, he doubled up my pawns, but it doesn't matter. Good. Very good. Very, very good. I like this. I like this. I like this. This file is open. I'm about to castle. Oh, I would have undoubled my pawns by taking with the other pawn. Hold on. Let me see. Why is dude playing here, bro? I'm not trying to castle that side. What are you talking about, Brisky? Let's see. My pawns won't be doubled anymore. Oh, they'll be doubled for sure. I need to just push here. Push, push, push. Oh, I have a free pawn. I thought I had a free pawn, dog. I thought I had a free pawn. Yes, but I think I have a free pawn. Nice. Nice. Let's go here. Very good. Now his knight is under attack, though. Okay. So, what is bro trying to offer? All right. He wants to check or what? I don't get it. What's the point of putting your bishop under attack as well? Okay, he was. Ah, God, this guy. Let's see, bro. What's brother trying to achieve with this? How about if I take this and double up his pawns? Yes. So I can open this file right here. Pointing to his queen. Let's go. Okay. Was that a free pawn? Oh, this guy is really cooking, bro. Well, let's see. Let's see something. Hmm. I don't know what the hell is trying. God, this guy. This guy wants to checkmate me, bro. Have you guys noticed that? Dude is trying to checkmate me, bro. That's crazy. Alright, it's fine. I'm perfectly fine with trading, bro. Let's just go. Come. I can just go here, right? Wouldn't I just go there? If he calls here check, wouldn't I just go up here? Let me first see. Let me see what I'm not seeing. He's thinking that's checkmate, by the way. Alright, this is not checkmate, big brother. I don't know what the hell you thought. Yeah, but this is not checkmate. Good. What is he trying to take from me? I think I should just push all my pawns, right? Let's let's go, let's go, let's go. Pawn pushes. Let's go. Hmm. Let's see something. What is this guy thinking? Okay, if you take my pawns, I take your pawn. Right? Fair enough. Let's see how it goes. I have like about 3 pawns that I can munch from here. Let's go. Hold on, I need to protect this pawn of mine. So let's see something. By the time it goes down, I've taken this pawn. Holy shit. That was a mistake, man. That was a real mistake. Hmm. Let me just move this a little bit here. He would check and take my stuff. So, it's not ideal, man. I don't know what the hell is going on with dude. But, yeah, let me just walk my stuff. Okay. Good. Hmm. Oh, nice. Nice. I think he messed up. Did he just mess up? How long did dude just mess up? Shit. Shit, 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 shit. Shit, I'm gonna lose my mind, bro. Holy shit. Oh, I think I've lost, man. Alright, let's go. I'm losing my mind, dog. What the hell? Okay. Nice. Let's chase you away from there. Holy shit, bro. Let's run away. God! Oh my god, this dude wants to foam. He wants to get a queen, bro. Holy shit. Okay, no problem, no problem. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. Shit. I think I've lost, man. Oh, what the hell? Rook to G3 won't help, man. How is Rook to G3 going to help? You thought, yeah, 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 bro. We are coding. Calm down, calm down. That's a break. Holy shit! I don't know what to play here now, bro. Wallahi, I don't know. If I take this pawn, he has another pawn though, which is just insane. If this becomes a queen, I'm toast. So let me just accept to lose the other pawn. Let me just try to cook my brain. I see. I want to try to cook my brain because I've already accepted to lose this rook. I've accepted to lose the rook. All right. So I think I just need to get rid of this. I need to get rid of that. Nice. Nice. How many steps? For me, I have one, two. He has one, two. Oh my God! Hello. What? One, two, three. He has three to get a queen. Three will get me here. That means I can four. Nah, 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 nah. I think I'm toast, boys. I think I'm toast. Alright, I think I'm toast, man. I think I'm toast, man. There's nothing I can do, bro. Yeah. Oh my God. There's nothing I can do. It's over. It's over, bro. It's over, bro. There's nothing I can do here. It's okay. It's over. He's just gonna get the queen and that's it. I'm gonna be toast. Son of a bitch, bro. Oh, it's over, man. It's all good, boys. Let's just meet up tomorrow, man. I'm out of here. This shit has depressed me, bro.